Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Cyber Munib. Today we'll discuss certain things related to figures in LaTeX. So basically what we'll discuss in today's lecture is how to add the figure, how to center the figure, how to align the figure, how to add captions in the figure, and how to remove overlapping text in the figure. Like if your figure is overlapping with the text of your document, then how to remove that. So first of all, we'll add the figure. In order to add the figure, you need to use the package. Use package, graphics. So you need to use this package whenever you are adding the figure in the LaTeX. Just then say begin figure, and then you need to say call the graphics, include graphics. This is like setting the scale. Like if you want to set the exactly same size of a figure, you should set the scale to 1. You can reduce the size over here, and then here you need to add the name of the figure. We have made a sample name, a figure named sample. The figure is in already in the EPS format, so it is recommended that you should use EPS format for your figures. So if I'll run this code, this will show me the figure that I have made. What if I want to align this figure? Like the second thing, if I want to center this figure, so the currently the figure is not centered, I should use centering. So this will center the figure. You can compare the previous figure. Previously the figure was left aligned, now the figure is centered. Similarly, what if I want to add the caption in the figure? You can say caption of figure. So this will add the caption in your figure. Next, if I want to align the figure according to the page, like currently the figure is on top, I want to make it move it to the bottom. I want to move, or I want to move it to the exactly the text where it is called. I should use, like if I want to move it at the bottom, I should use B. So the figure is now at the bottom of the page. If I want to move it to exactly like after this text where it is called, I should use H instead of B. So the figure is centered now and is in called right after the text. Sometimes the figure and the text overlaps each other. In that case, and I'm using a double column format for my template. If I want to use a single column, or if my text is overlapping the double column and I want to use the figure at the center of the page instead of like just on one side, so I should be saying, using, instead of figure, I should use figure star and figure star. This will move my figure to the center of the page, just like this. Not exactly at the center. If there would be a text, I can align the figure with the top, like T, or the bottom. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.